This is a tutorial on how to import a STEP file into VTube-STEP. This is VTube-STEP version 1.94. I'm importing a STEP file, and we're going to convert this file over to a file that is compatible with one of our Benderlink packages, for example, Benderlink for MIC or Benderlink for Chiyoda. The process we used to convert the solid model to a data format that's compatible with the Bender is the process called collection. And in the collection process, what we're going to be doing is selecting individual straights in order to add the surfaces of those straights to a collection, which you can see in the collection grid on the left. I've automated the collection process by checking on both of the checkboxes in the collect control. I'm using the mouse wheel to zoom in and out, and I'm positioning the mouse cursor in order to perform the effective panning. What we're doing here is an automatic collection process. Every time I select a straight, VTube is going to ask for the next straight. In this case, we're selecting straight 10. Now it's asking for straight 11. After I click on straight 11, it's going to ask for 12. After I click on 12, it's going to ask for 13. There is no 13th straight, so I'm going to follow the instructions in the guide box at the top that say press the right mouse button to cancel the selection. So anywhere in the viewport, we're going to right mouse click, and when we do that, it's going to stop this automatic collection process. Now we can see that VTube has changed back to select mode, which means it's no longer asking for another straight. Change over to the calc control and press generate the tube model. VTube is going to work its way through all of the straights in order to calculate the center line of the part. When the calculation is complete, you'll see a white tube that superimposes the model. On the left, you're going to see the XYZ coordinates and the new Bender data. At this point, we can build a report, or we could go straight to the Import-Export menu and export this data out to a file that's compatible with Benderlink. To do that, click on the Import-Export button in the navigation pane. Then export to the appropriate file type. In this case, we'll export to a supervision file, since Benderlink can import that file format. VTube automatically suggests the export part name based upon the import file name. Now we can load Benderlink and import this data into the Bender.
Your transfer has been completed.